Hey everybody, welcome to week 3 where we will read the end of the ancient Greek tragedy Oedipus the King by Sophocles. For this week, read from pages 422 to the end of the play on page 437. In this part of the play, Oedipus speaks with a messenger who informs him that Polybus, whom Oedipus thinks is his real father, has died. This same messenger, however, informs Oedipus that Polybus is really his adopted father. So the oracle that Oedipus fears that he was going to kill his father and marry his mother, that oracle is not necessarily disproven if Polybus is dead. Now, when Jocasta hears this from the messenger, she begs Oedipus to not investigate further. It appears that she knows something that he thus far does not. So while Oedipus believes that Jocasta is just upset because he might have been born from a slave and really not a king, she's really grappling with the truth of who he is. So for this week, read through the instructor's material and also follow the link on the features of Greek tragedy. There you'll learn about the ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle and how he defines tragedy. He says that a tragedy must have a plot that shows a discovery and a reversal of fortune. That is called peripeteia in the ancient Greek. Now, this reversal of fortune should happen to somebody who is noble that we can look up to, so that when we see them suffering, we as an audience experience pity and fear. And it is these emotions that make a tragedy a tragedy. Aristotle also argued that the tragedy produces a catharsis of these emotions. Now, catharsis can mean purgation. And so Aristotle states that watching a tragedy causes us to purge our emotions of pity and fear. The figure of King Oedipus is that of a tragic hero. He is someone who is noble and admirable, but who experiences a reversal of fortune. The tragic hero's demise comes about because of a flaw or error. The word in ancient Greek that Aristotle uses is hamartia, which means something in excess that misses the mark. So, what do you think is the mistake, the tragic mistake that Oedipus the king makes here? What do you think is his hamartia? So this week, after reading the instructor's material and the features of Greek tragedy, turn to the questions in the discussion board. Then remember, this week there is a quiz on the play, so make sure to take the practice quiz first to prepare yourself, and then take the graded quiz. I look forward to reading your thoughts on the discussion board. I'll see you there.